back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. Well, I'm ready to give my honest review on this particular bag. So this is the Biaggi bag. It's the Lift Off, and it's the carry-on to check bag size. So it pops open like this. If you didn't see my original unboxing, I will link it below, just so you know. And overall, I love the compartments. I love the philosophy of this. I did it as a checked bag for this last trip that I had. And I love the fact that it has this area that separated this lining from the bottom part. So I was able to put all of my shoes and on the way back dirty clothes and things like that in this upper area that kept things, kept it separate from this bottom area. So I actually think this, for this, it actually works really well. I love all the side pockets. I was able to put a lot of things in there. If you didn't see how I unpack this bag, I will link that video below too. It was my winter packing video, like if you're going on an Alaska cruise or something, how I packed this bag up, or unpacked it, however you want to say it. But overall, I mean, it's a great bag. Now, I'm going to give you where I feel that it doesn't work well. So I took it on a cruise, and I took it as a checked bag. So after the checked bag, I noticed that it has some tears, some small tears. Let's see, where are they? Okay, right here, there's some little tears. And I'll put some pictures in just so it's easier. And then right here, there's some little, like, where the fabric is wearing down, which means if you use this a lot, or, I mean, this is one time, so I figured if you use it 3 or 4 times a year as a checked bag, then this fabric's going to wear down pretty fast or tear pretty easily. So that's the part that was disappointing. The other part is that it doesn't roll as well as I had hoped it did. I felt that when I did my original unboxing that maybe it was because I was on carpet, but I had just a little bit of issue with it to where I would end up rolling it with this handle rather than this handle. And I think it's because this was like right in the center, and it's balanced it out. And back here, I felt like it was wanting to tip over. I'm not really sure what was going on, but I know the wheels kind of stuck every once in a while, and so I had a little bit of an issue with this. Now, with that said, this is how I feel about this. I absolutely would take this on a cruise if I wasn't flying. So my hometown, my home area, if I was driving somewhere, maybe even on a train, I would take this. I love the organization about it. I love that it has all the pockets. I like that part of it. I only use usually 1 or 2 packing cubes, so I don't have a lot of separation in my stuff, normally. And so I usually will, I like the fact that this has a lot of pockets and a lot of places where I can put stuff. It also has the computer pocket. So if you're not having to check your bag and you want to keep your laptop with you, but you necessarily don't want to carry it with the backpack and stuff like that, and everything fits in here, this is great for just the carry-on size. Now, this is just my opinion. I just feel like I could only use it if I was going somewhere that was, you know, not where I have to actually check the bag, or if I end up carrying it and then having to check it later because maybe I bought too much stuff. I don't really know if it would be the bag for me. I'd probably just leave some empty space in my luggage and take just a suitcase that I would check. As you know, I'm not really, I don't really care to check stuff. I only do it when I specifically have to take a lot of certain things with me on a trip, like this last one for work. I had to take stuff. And so I was able to use this pretty well. And then even with the stuff I bought there, I was able to put most of it in my bag. And I think I only put maybe 1 or 2 things in my backpack. So with that said, that is my opinion on this. It's overall, I think I can use it just for like my local stuff, my local cruises, my local roads, you know, going for a weekend or whatever. But I probably wouldn't use it for any other type of flying travel. So anyway, if you have any other questions about this bag, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care and have a great day.